Well, my name is Laura Corso. I'm going to develop the activity of intercultural project. Well, in first instance, we have the holidays and long weekends. So I'm going to present you the best holiday I have had in Colombia. Well, we have two pictures, one about the coffee park and Panaca. There are touristic places that are located on Colombia at between the cities Armenia and Pereira. Well, continue with the explanation. We have that place are for going and doing everything activities in family. We have a family with babies, and all members of the family can go to there and doing all the activities that we have there. Some of activities we have at that places are the we can explore of the park of coffee, and we can enjoy of a delicious milkshake of coffee that is the representative beverage of the place. We have the show of animals like this cow, and there are horse, pigs, birds, and some other animals of farm. We have the thematic of location that have the place in all the space of the hotel and the sideways. We have the walkers of the foreign and the forests or a view of landscapes like trees and vegetation. We observe that it's a possibility you can stay at the hotel, and in the same hotel you can cross a bridge and get in to the park of Panaca. There are a lot of activities that adventure like shows of animals and activities especially for kids, or you can go with your couple, and it's an excellent plan too. Thank you so much.